Hello viewers, so welcome as we work out this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So let's begin with the solution. So on our solution, this one is what we have. So we have 4 to the power of a plus again 4 to the power of a is equals to 64. So the first thing that we need to do, because 4 to the power of a and 4 to the power of a is common, we can start to factorize this number by now having 4 to the power of a here. So we shall have 4 to the power of a, then into bracket 1 plus 1, close the bracket, is equals to 64. So our next step now, we shall be able to work out the number that is inside the bracket. So now we shall have 4 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2, close the bracket, is equals to 64. Now, so what we are remain with, we shall divide both sides by 2. So this side by 2, this side by 2. So 2 and 2 shall cancel. So now we shall have 4 to the power of a is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 64, 32. So it's equals to 32. Now, as you can see here, 4 is a base, a is an index. Now, it is impossible for us to convert this 32, which is a whole number, to the base of 4. So we need to introduce the log. So we shall now introduce the log of 4 to the power of a is equals to the log of 32. So we all know that when we have the log of p to the power of m, this one can also be written as m log p. So I want us to express the log of 4 to the power of a in the form of m log p. So here now we shall have a log 4 is equals to the log of 32. So from here now, we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 4 so that we remain with a. So all over the log of 4, both sides. So the log of 4 and the log of 4 shall now cancel. So now our value for a is equals to the log of 32 all over the log of 4. So this one is not the answer. So we can factorize this value, but now indicate that our value for a can be written as the log of, so 32 the log of 4 multiplied by 8, then into the bracket all over the log of 4. So that value we can also write as a is equals to the log of 4 plus the log of 8 all over the log of 4. So now we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 4 by now saying that a is equals to the log of 4 all over the log of 4, then now plus the log of 8 all over the log of 4. So as you can see, so a is equals to, so the log of 4 and the log of 4 shall cancel. So now we shall have 1 plus, here now we shall have the log of 8 all over the log of 4, all over the log of 4. So you can still factorize the log of 8 all over the log of 4 by now saying that a is equals to 1 plus the log of 8 can also be written as 4 multiplied by 2, then we close the bracket all over the log of 4. So let's do it the way we did it initially by now saying that a is equals to 1 plus the log of 4 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 4. So here now a is equals to 1 plus, so let's split it. Now we shall have the log of 4 all over the log of 4 here, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 4. So this value can be simplified by now having a is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 4 and the log of 4 shall cancel, so we shall have 1 plus here the log of 2 all over the log of 4. So then now we shall have a is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 4. So we can still have a as x equals to 2 plus the log of 2 all over, so the log of 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2. So now we shall have a is equals to 2 plus, so the log of 2 all over, so the log of 2 to the power of 2 can also be written as 2 log 2 log 2. So now finally our value for a is now 2 plus, so this one shall be a half, this one shall be a half. So now we shall have 2 plus a half. So the log of 2 and the log of 2 shall now cancel. So that is to mean that the value for a is equals to, so 2 plus a half, this one shall be, the LCM is 2. So that 2 into 2, 2 goes into 2, 2 goes into 1, 2 times, and 2 times 2 is 4. Then plus 2 into 2, 1, and 1 times 1 is 1. So now we shall have 4 plus 1, which is 5 over 2. So finally the value for a is equals to 5 over 2, and that one now becomes the correct answer. So if you really got it and worked it out that way, you've done the right thing.